In the heart of Bethesda, where luxury meets lifestyle, something extraordinary is taking shape. Welcome to a world of unparalleled elegance, where homes are more than just structures. They are masterpieces of artistry and sophistication. Discover a sanctuary crafted for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Every corner tells a story of timeless elegance and modern convenience, where comfort seamlessly intertwines with extravagance. This community offers a resort-style experience unmatched in the area. This home is in the Novo collection. This collection offers homes with a little over 3,300 to 6,500 square feet, 3 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 6 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 3 to 4 stories, and an optional floor plan that offers multi-gen living space. One of the best features in this home is the primary bedroom suite. Wasn't it beautiful? I sure think so. But here's the twist. This isn't just a home. It's a gateway to a lifestyle reserved for the elite. As the sun sets, a secret is revealed. A private, exclusive enclave nestled within Bethesda's prestigious neighborhood. A hidden gem known only to a select few. Seize the opportunity to elevate your living experience and indulge in the extraordinary. Let your address reflect your success. Call us today to book your tour. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.